my wife.
I promise
I promise
to be true to you
to be true to you
in good times and in bad,
in good times and bad,
in sickness and in health.
and sickness and health.
I will love you
I will love you
and honor you
and honor you
all the days of my life.
all the days of my life.
Sige po, isuot na. Para ngayon na magkasya ng sising. Lumiit ba ang sising o tumaba yung fingers? Kasya. Kailangan magpapayat ulit. Sige. Wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty to you. I take you, Nelmar Obos, as my husband. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad,
So, ayaw kasi judge. Ganun.
Kailan? Hindi, sabi nila after 5 years, hindi ko masukat sa atong behavior. But is challenges. So, ang masutin ako that God put center our relationship. Be patient, guys. We are not perfect person. Get understanding of our and maximum deny. Wala yung lamangan, so pantay-pantay. So, batak mo wala yung problema. And I respect you as a human. Every decision which is good for us, so I respect it. And responsibility, and being good responsible being a husband and a good father.
Wilmar Obos, I promise to always be there for you sa kanilang decision making sa kanilang sa ating life. This is my promise to you and to God for eternity.
Tapos na? Okay.